So again, once you get some of this initially sketched out, just a cylinder in the distance, and when you take a look at the initial parts that are cut almost like the candy cane stripes, and they go up and curve, each one. So if you make the initial shape, just make sure that it tapers to the right. It does the same on the return. And then when you see the negative part coming out, it's just a slight turn. It gives you this little loop that's cut out here. Kind of see it there. When you see the end of this has a little bevel on this edge right here. Kind of line this up pretty good. So there you kind of have this line drawing on the outer edge. And then just a simple shading on that. This part has shading on this part. So again, as you start to look at the lines, you can really see the edges. Dark, and then getting some of that loose inside there. And this is almost a posterization segment of this shading. And then just taking a look at each one of these divots, just kind of follow that pattern there. And kind of see. It's also going to have a little bit of carryover. Kind of has this fluted edge to it. you can use the straight edge pretty good to help you with that shading. Just think of these tones, nice gradual graded soft to light. Building that up there. You can use the kind of smear the tone in there. Just take a highlight. Through there. And there we go. The cast shadow just emphasizes the depth for you. And pretty much.